All right, CTO production fans. That's right. We're having a hot dog eating contest.
This is the moment you've all been waiting for.
Yep.
Yep.
That's right. And there's Trent.
There's Trent. Yeah, we're all in the same video for once.
I'm ready to beat up an 8th grader.
And we're going to film our
first subscriber's back. No. Plot twist. He's actually not our first subscriber.
Plot twist.
I'm sorry, I lied to all of you.
Plot twist. He's bad at sports.
I'm better than him.
So we got competing Trent in this hot dog eating contest. We got Chase. We got Caden.
And useless.
Parker.
AKA useless.
Joe!
Wait, who's the guy recording the camera?
It's Owen.
Hello, CTO production fans. It is me, Owen Breckenridge.
Now, you guys know Parker would never miss a wiener in his mouth.
Obviously, look at him.
You're gay.
Let's insert a wiener in his mouth right here.
He never misses a wiener.
All right, give me back the camera. I'm the cameraman.
Right, here you go. Here you go.
He just didn't want to
All right.
the PJs.
Now we're gonna.
Wait a minute. Yeah, show him the.
These are my PJs.
How about that Beavis and Butthead shirt? Oh yeah.
It's probably zoomed into.
Well, now we're gonna take a vote. Trent, who do you think's gonna win this contest?
Probably Caden because he eats like he's fat.
He eats like he's fat.
Yes.
What is his favorite snack food in his refrigerator?
Anything.
No, this is a pop question.
I
know what this one is.
Shut up! Your name's not Trent, you little idiot.
Like refreshment or
No, like frozen food. He has a favorite.
Yeah, I've watched
Chicken.
Chef Caden multiple times.
What type of chicken?
spicy.
Nope.
Yeah, it is.
Tell them the brand, what it is.
TGI Fridays barbecue boneless chicken.
That's right.
Why is there always spicy stuff?
All right, Caden, who do you think is gonna win this?
Spicy stuff in there.
Yeah, there's a whole.
Caden,
It's always barbecue.
Caden, who do you think's gonna win this?
I think Parker, because his favorite food to eat and suck is wieners.
Oh yeah, he likes wieners.
All right.
No.
Who do you think is gonna win?
I prefer chicken.
You prefer chicken.
Wieners.
I prefer chicken.
Another name for chicken is
Fried
cock.
chicken. Fried chicken.
He likes cock.
Yeah, he likes sucking chicken too.
No.
Okay, you never really gave me.
Guys, let's go eat hot dogs.
There's Joe.
It's MVP!
Joe, who do you think is gonna win this eating competition?
Joe, did you poop on that stick?
It wasn't me. It was
Parker
me.
put it up his butt.
I think Parker's gonna win.
Chase, who do you
Why
think
is
is
that?
gonna win?
What is your reason why?
Give us a good reason.
Because he's not hungry. You actually don't eat hot dogs. You don't like hot dogs. You don't seem like you'd like hot dogs. Yeah, see?
I like hot dogs.
Yeah, I like hot dogs.
Hey, we forgot about Owen. Why do you guys keep forgetting about Owen?
I'm recording.
Zoomed in, you are.
I know.
Owen's still in the competition.
Shut up.
Actually, I feel like I'm gonna be tight between Caden and Owen.
Yeah. I might eat the most.
You think you're gonna eat a lot?
One, because I don't.
Maybe.
I think my guess I'll probably eat like
All right, Owen, let
5
me
to
interview
7.
I'll eat about one.
Okay. No.
What about
I'm
you? What
still
do you think
recording.
you're gonna eat?
I think I'll eat like.
Are you still recording?
Hey, I'm
Yeah.
still recording. Don't record the ground.
Yeah.
Those are the best things we ever did.
Won't you look at all those wieners? They're all just boiling up in there. All right.
Take a video of the weekly.
This is the grossest thing I've ever done in my life.
Yeah. How does this taste?
Bryson, go grab my cup.
Scale of 1 to 10. How good are these hot dogs?
They're so nasty. I can't even eat more. Like, that's
So
the
nasty out of 10. You heard it here first.
That's the nastiest thing I've ever ate.
Dang it. I'm not excited.
You're
for
not
this.
even gonna eat. You can't even eat.
I know. I'm probably not gonna eat. Wait.
No,
Hold
I
on.
already
What is
feel-
this?
I feel.
Hold on.
thought
Fortnite season 10.
I think your brother wrote that.
Season 9 has just started. We're already predicting season 10? What? Trent, what do you have to say about this? What do you have to say about this, Trent?
That's it.
I'm going to take this chair.
Parker put 11 hot dogs without the bun on his plate.
If you eat those, you're gonna throw up. These are nasty.
If you eat those, then you're James Charles.
Okay, get back.
Oh, okay, here you go. Now what do you have to say to the camera?
Look at this. Does this look appetizing to you? That's
disgusting.
Look. I filled it with ketchup because it's split all along the middle.
Wow.
Look, oh!
Is that gonna be our thumbnail? That's so gross. Oh my gosh, look at the buns stuck on it.
I am done. I'm already done. Look how soggy. Oh, but that's not.
There goes that.
That's not good.
Well,
I picked it up and it came apart.
that is so disgusting. I wish I had dinner now.
Me too.
You didn't have dinner either?
No, I was like, hopefully these aren't gonna be nasty, but
Yeah, none of us had dinner because we thought these would be at least decent, but then we get this.
I had meatloaf.
Oh.
Because I'm smart.
Yeah. Well,
I'll take one more bite.
one more for the
viewers.
camera.
Just get that reaction in.
F rubber.
Ew, no. Oh, it's so bad.
And then
Look at them.
here's the 8th
Look.
grader.
See, yeah, look at this. Yeah, look
at that.
Here's what I mean. Look. Okay, how many of you guys do this? You just take a bunch of hot dogs.
Hey, it's only 2 more than Owen,
You put
okay?
onions on here and ketchup. Yes.
It's not that much more than Owen. I'm still gonna beat him.
Oh, that looks no. All right, I'm gonna get my wiener.
The quantity, not the speed in which it happens.
Yeah, good luck, kid.
Because you guys all start at different times. So.
They're terrible.
It has to
This
be
is
the
not
total
good.
quantity.
Eat so
This is not good, man. Who made these?
Oh, it's terrible.
I made them.
Phil, I'm sorry. These are not good, man.
because
Well, I don't want to eat this though.
Exactly.
Smoking some
you
pork
gotta
rinds.
eat what you take.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I already threw away 1.5. I had a half.
Anybody want these? I don't want these.
Too big.
Kaden, shut up and eat more of your hot dogs.
Shut up, Owen.
This is why you eat meatloaf before you come to the hot dog.
Oh, I can eat like 5 to 7 hot dogs.
5 to
Take a
7.
bite.
5 to 7 good hot dogs.
You never said good hot dogs. You just said hot dogs.
Oh, fine.
I think we have video recording of that too.
I think we do.
Oh, really?
Flashback.
I think my guess I'll probably eat like
All right, Owen, let
5
me
to
interview
7.
Like, honestly, like you think of it fantastic, but you're not. You're not.
Now that's how you get.
That's quality content.
The whole thing?
Show the viewers.
I've done it a couple times and they work really good.
Wow.
Oh, that's someone that likes some food. Now, let's go to a wimp.
This sucked. You're not even doing this.
Yeah, I know. I'm smart. Look how many you got.
You have to eat all that.
I'm not eating all this.
Show the viewers how to eat. You can really tell you love shoving.
Choked on it!
He choked on it. He couldn't eat the whole thing.
I couldn't.
Now Owen will teach you, because he's eaten already. How many have you eaten? 4? 4, yeah.
Wow. I'm not eating that.
Oh, that looks so
many have you eaten,
appetizing.
That looks so nasty. Why'd you put relish on that?
3.
Wow.
And look at this wimp.
Oh, fine.
Oh, yeah.
He does.
Back to the champion.
Owen's gonna win. Yeah.
Hey, Beavis, you want to score?
Shut up.
Sorry.
Eat a wiener. Show the viewers. Not like the gay way.
That's kind of weird.
I should do something. Hey Trent,
What?
we need to get the viewers' discretion, whatever thing it is, and tell them that this part is not supposed to be viewed by many people. Because I'm gonna try to shove this entire hot dog down.
Let's get it. The content.
This is a true hot dog eating contest.
Do it. Do it.
What?
You gotta
All right, my strategy is to like fold it in my mouth.
All right, let's see it. Oh shoot.
Yeah, please
Oh,
tell us how you
shoot.
put that whole thing in.
Oh shoot. Oh, he got it. He got it. Keep it in there.
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy.
He just put a whole.
No.
He put a whole one in. Keep it in. Keep it in.
He's joking.
Keep it in there.
Hey, don't make him laugh.
Keep it in there. He's chewing.
Why are we still recording this?
He did it.
Wow.
Look at his finger from that.
Oh my gosh.
I almost died.
It's a
Well,
heart attack later tonight.
what a
It's
man.
gonna be why.
You want me to do it then?
Yeah, Caden's turn.
It's my turn now. You put the whole thing in your mouth?
He put the
Wait,
whole-
did you fold it up?
He folded
that what he
it in his mouth. He like had it already in his
With
mouth and he folded it.
condiments on.
Well, I'm not putting condiments on mine. You just
Every other week.
did that? Dude, or did you like fold it or something?
Yeah, this is terrible.
If that makes it easier.
Okay. Yeah. Alright, I'll just do it. Whatever.
Do it.
Yeah.
No, entire thing.
Can't bite it.
I'm doing it.
Everybody
I could barely fit it in my mouth.
Oh yeah.
I'm not doing this.
I'm not doing that. What a failure. Look how twisted.
How did you do that? What the heck?
Wow, they look even better that way.
The sad thing is they do.
had one.
Well, they're
I
big.
had 1.5. It's terrible.
Dude, I could feel that hot dog just like go all the way down my body. Like that's why I almost like threw it up because the first bite that I took just like it was like just a huge clump going down me.
Yeah, you couldn't chew it because then you tasted. If you tasted it, it was coming back up.
Wait, I
Yeah, and it would have ended up like this.
Excuse me?
No, but you did.
Caden, I ate half my.
Hey.
Oh, Parker, you idiot.
Way to make a mess, stupid.
I blocked it. What are you talking about?
Hot dog eating contest gone wrong.
I blocked it.
Gone wrong for you.
That's true.
If this was an actual hot dog eating contest, we don't lose. But they would have better hot dogs.
Yeah, they should have better.
Oh, it's starting to fight now.
Well, in the real hot dog eating contest.
We can only. What was that?
Why don't you guys go pick that up?
Did anyone
What?
say Weiner war outside?
Yeah, Weiner war outside. Wiener war outside.
Food, let's do it.
But this isn't good.
Why can't we throw them outside?
These deserve. These literally deserve to be wasted.
Yeah!
That was so disgusting. I stuck my fingers and Miss Parker like a whole.
I got that on video.
Oh my god.
Oh! Why? Why did you just do that?
To get the mustard.
Why?
Because it was funny.
Why are you wiggling it like that?
I don't know. Wait, get this. Thomas! Oh my... I punched him instead.
Oh yeah. Instant replay in slow motion.
I don't even know if I got that.
I love this video.
Oh, that was sweet.
You guys better like and subscribe.
Oh, you already know I will like me and subscribe.
Oh, and drink it.
It's a straw.
Kids, don't play with your food or else this will happen.
Alright, who's the winner gonna be?
Owen.
No.
You guys have 4 more minutes.
Yeah, well, I think we already know.
Then we're gonna win a cake.
How many?
Oh yeah.
Hey, Owen, you want to eat half more hot dog?
No,
You want to eat it? What are you doing, Odell?
nothing.
Right? Oh no, no.
You are not going to eat that.
No.
For the views.
There's no way.
If
I'm
you,
not gonna eat this.
why are you taking off the? What?
Are you trying to make a straw out of it or something?
No, that'd be stupid.
What are you doing? That could be more stupid.
Oh wait, you caught me. I was trying to make a straw.
Yeah.
That would have been sweet.
All right. Can we have a Weiner war with the rest of the hot dogs?
No.
Why?
Like outside.
On the field.
Am I hearing a yes?
The birds will
On the
Out in
field.
the field.
On the field part.
No.
Yes, the birds.
Hey, am I hearing a yes right now, guys?
Why can't we do
Yeah.
the field part?
I heard a yes.
Who
There's
won?
not that many
You have
anyway.
2
You guys
minutes.
ate them all.
Keep eating.
No, they're all right there.
Yeah, they're all
And right there.
No.
And right there.
And
All right, Parker got.
What'd
What'd you get, Parker?
Uh,
Yes, so far 4.
I think he gets disqualified
Why?
for not having any.
No, his is
Yeah.
divided by 1.5
Divided by
because of the bug.
Parker likes Weiner. No, don't. Hey! Right on the camera, man.
Right on the camera. Instant replay.
Yeah, instant replay that.
Dang it, I gotta start all over again.
Is there an SD card in it?
Wait, Caden, are you filming right now? Mm-hmm. No.
I am.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, yeah, he just pranked.
Hey, little kid, can you take off that trash can on your head? You're showing the animal on your head?
Excuse me, I don't really appreciate this attitude.
You have an animal on your head.
Shut up!
Someone called him porcupine.
Yeah, someone did call you porcupine.
They did. Okay, I don't like this.
You know, I'm honestly not surprised.
Porcupine.
Someone else recorded.
Insert porcupine image next to Caden's face.
Wieners where any of your moms can see them. Okay.
And I got that on camera. All right, here we go. Wiener Wars 2019, boys. Here we go. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let me get up here. Ah! Oh, the wiener exploded. We gotta get it. Oh. You know what? I feel kind of left out right now. Joe, you hold this. Here you go.
Get the.
All right, I'm joining in on the Weiner Wars 2019. Woo! Where are all the wieners at? Oh, that's so cold. That feels so nice.
I know, because they're all that bad.
Oh, shut those aside, Parker. Yeah. Oh.
Get the 8th grader!
That sounded like it hurt. Everyone against Parker! Yeah! Can't find it. This feels so gross! Where are all the hot dogs? My head's sticky. I'm officially changing the video title to CTO Productions Plays with Wieners 10 hours. Not clickbait. Would you guys actually watch that? No! Just put this on loop for 10 hours. There's no wieners.
No more wieners.
Oh, that hurt! Why did that hurt? Hold on, how do you zoom in?
Consequences now.
How do you zoom in?
Little.
Whoa!
Where's that? Oh, there it is. Dude, I blocked it again.
How do you zoom in?
Yeah.
I put it in dirt!
Yeah. Oh no. Oh no.
Who's that guy?
Oh, hello, Owen Breckenridge. You know, if you didn't have my phone right now, I would totally throw this at you. Here. Oh wait, I'd still throw it at you. Yeah, well.
I used it as a shield.
Oh, that's so nasty.
This feels so
Hey,
dry.
Joe, get a good angle of that. Get a good angle of this.
Ah, the phone.
Hey man,